Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you how to add push notifications to your WordPress website right now. So I've already gone to onesignal.com. I'm just going to go start for free. And actually, let me show you the pricing structure of this. So you can get it, it's free, and you get up to unlimited messages, up to 30,000 subscribers. The segments, the automated messages, you can see all the stats there of what it gives you and what it doesn't give you. Like I said, there's the paid versions. I'm just going to use the free version for now. Up to 30,000 web subscribers. I'm just going to go to the start for free. I'm going to enter my information. All right, now let me check my email. All right, I'm going to confirm my account. All right, I'm going to name my website. I'm just going to go to, you can see all the features there. I'm just going to go to web push and go to configure your next platform. All right, now I'm going to choose my integration. Typical site, WordPress plugin or website builder, or custom code. Since I'm using WordPress, I'm going to go to WordPress plugin. And so I'm going to select my builder. I'm going to go to WordPress. Go to my site name, MikeShamon.com, add my URL, auto subscribe, default icon URL, 192 by 192. Let me see if I have an icon right here of 192, 192. I don't. Let's just save that one. All right, just go to save. Next, install our WordPress plugin on your WordPress blog. Once installed, copy these account keys. So I'm going to install the OneSignal plugin to my website. So I'm going to go to search plugins and go to OneSignal. All right, and there it comes up. Just go to install now. Activate it. I'm going to go down to the plugin here. Then I'm going to go to configuration, and I'm going to add my account settings that they gave me back here. Copy ID, paste that. Copy this API key, paste that. Use the post featured image for the notification. Use post featured image for Chrome's large image notification. Hide notification after a few seconds. Notification title, Mike Shamon. Send additionally to iOS and Android platforms. We'll leave that off right now just because I don't have anything. I don't have those enabled. All right, the prompt settings is going to be that. Prompt new users, enable subscription bell, show the subscription bell. Okay, I'm just going to leave these as default. Theme red, customization. I'm not going to even deal with that right now. I'm just going to do this. All right, and then the allow button. So I'm going to put send updates. Okay, and that's what I'm going to leave it as, just the regular welcome. Thanks for subscribing. I'm just going to put hey now. Just personalize it a little bit more. All right, and I think that all looks fine to me. I'm just going to go to save. So let's go to the site and see if something happens when we go there. Oh, so you see the bell right there. Okay, so the bell's down there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Actually, I'm going to go back here into my plugin settings, and I'm going to go to automatically prompt new site visitors before native browser prompt. Okay, I'm going to change that. All right, and then you can customize the colors if you wanted to, but I mean, red's fine with me because it kind of stands out a little bit. So I'm just going to go to save. All right, now let's refresh this page here. There I am. Send updates, yes or no. Yes, we'll send updates. Allow. Okay. Boom, that's how you install push notifications to your website right there. It's pretty easy. It's pretty cool. If you want to go check it out, check out the OneSignal. And I hope you got a lot out of this tutorial. And I'll see you on the other side. Oh, and look at that. Hey now, thanks for subscribing. That's pretty cool. Hey now, check out my other videos. All right.